Meta just panic bought a $15 billion AI company, and within 48 hours, their biggest customers started fleeing. Google is cutting ties, Microsoft is backing out, and Zuckerberg just admitted something huge about Meta's AI struggles. This isn't just another tech acquisition, this is desperation. And when trillion-dollar companies get desperate, they make very expensive mistakes. So here's what happened. On June 12th, Meta announced they're investing $14.3 billion in Scale AI, a data labeling company. That's almost as much as they paid for WhatsApp. But wait, it gets worse. Zuckerberg is so frustrated with Meta's AI performance that he's literally buying the CEO. Why the desperation? Because Meta is losing. Their Llama 4 models launched in April and were a complete disappointment. They couldn't even match Chinese AI company DeepSeek's performance. Meanwhile, Meta lost 4.3% of their top AI talent to competitors in 2024. But here's where it gets interesting. This deal is backfiring spectacularly. Google, who was Scale AI's biggest customer spending $150 million per year, announced they're cutting ties immediately. Why? Because they don't want their AI research secrets going to their biggest competitor. Elon's xAI is also fleeing. OpenAI reduced their Scale usage months ago. Even Microsoft is reportedly reconsidering their relationship. Scale AI's competitors are having a field day. Labelbox's CEO told Reuters they expect hundreds of millions in new revenue from customers fleeing Scale. Another competitor, Handshake, said their demand tripled overnight after the news. Meta didn't just buy a company, they accidentally destroyed its business model. Their investment just drove away the very customers that made Scale valuable in the first place. Now here's what this actually means. First, this deal was deliberately structured to avoid regulatory scrutiny. Meta gets 49% ownership but no voting rights. Second, Scale's 28-year-old founder, Alexander Wang, is leaving his own billion-dollar startup to join Meta's new superintelligence team. It's what they call an acqui-hire designed to fly under the antitrust radar. So essentially, Meta found a way to buy a top AI talent and his company without triggering a full acquisition review. Clever, but expensive. Look, Meta's move makes sense from a corporate strategy perspective. They're behind in AI, their talent is leaving, and their latest models flopped. Sometimes you have to buy what you can't build. But watching its biggest customers immediately leave, that's definitely not how they drew it up on the whiteboard. Meta isn't alone in this approach, though. Microsoft put $13 billion into OpenAI. Amazon and Google each invested billions in Anthropic. This is actually creating some interesting dynamics. The leading AI companies are getting the resources to build bigger, better models faster than ever before. At the same time, tech giants are getting access to cutting-edge AI capabilities without having to build everything from scratch. So what do you think? Is Meta's $15 billion bet brilliant or desperate? And are you worried about AI consolidation? Or do you think competition will keep these companies honest? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more AI breakdowns like this, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.